probably your stamina.
Oh my
Sometimes when we
god,
get
bro.
started
This is
with
on the
this,
internet, fam, and she just started off hot like that.
have a good
Welcome on YouTube, you know, it's your boy Click, and you're tuning into Click React, man, and we're coming back with another video from the cut. And this one is called The First Time We Had Sex. Between the Sheets. So basically, people are talking about, and it's such a weird video. This one is different than the other ones of like the button and stuff like that. I'm dating blindfolded. But basically, couples are sitting in a bed and they're talking about their first time or whatever the heck it is. So, you know, we all know how awkward that can be. So that's what we're looking at today, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and let me know what you think of this video, and if it's relatable is the real thing, man. Drop a like and turn on post notifications, man. We're just gonna get right into it, and I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
you could improve on probably your stamina.
Oh my
Sometimes when we get
god,
started
bro.
with
This is on the internet, fam, and she just started off hot like that.
have a good rhythm going, but then
I'm trying not to finish right away.
So disrespectful.
it's cousin.
Bro, what? Some of these couples don't even look like they're real couples.
Hello.
This is an awkward video.
How do you
How the hell are they gonna remember?
know each other?
I'm Deborah Payne.
I'm Randy.
I'm Jess.
And I'm Blake.
I'm Deisha,
I'm Jimmy.
and we're husband and wife.
How did you
I mean, I would hope so.
Met actually at our old job.
He was
Bro, why do
my
they...
first
Bro, what the fuck? They look like they're under 16.
renter when I had a studio apartment for rent.
So you were his landlord.
I was.
You're married. You got kids.
We have 3.
So you must be having a lot of sex.
Ah.
Well,
How many people?
Yo, this is actually so disrespectful. You know who's always gonna get the shit into this is the guy. He's gonna get roasted on the internet.
3.
4.
I don't know off the top of my head.
Oh my god.
How many people did you sleep with before me?
It's a long time ago.
Less than 10.
Really?
See, you can't say that.
Oh shit!
I feel like I'm gonna get in trouble.
You're not gonna get in trouble, because again, it was before me.
Okay, 22.
20.
Stop lying, bro.
You.
You ain't sleeping with 22. But stop
Oh
lying.
my god. Oh, that was a bigger number than I expected.
Describe the first time you had sex.
Oh wow,
I think our first time was very awkward.
it was awkward.
Just because with me, I am a trans male, so she didn't know how to go at anything at first.
I think I was laying on your floor, and then you invited me up
Yes,
to the bed.
he was trying to not necessarily.
You're like,
let
yo, I
us
wanna get some.
assume that we were going to sleep together.
You had
That's a good run. That's a good run.
Yeah.
I do have relatives.
But it wasn't like, you know, skimpy or bikini. It was kind of big.
First time we had sex, I cried.
What?
I was thinking that he was just gonna like hit it and quit it.
Why didn't you leave?
Well, she's obviously a keeper.
Things just got spicy and went from there.
Yes.
Were we upstairs?
Yes,
So it
Okay.
was in my bed.
because I had a friend visiting and he was downstairs.
What the
Really?
fuck?
So I was
With a visitor in the house?
Convenient.
Yeah, it was.
Had missionary sex.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Did you both finish?
Did
I didn't, and he
Yeah,
felt
I
hella
did.
bad about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
You ended up finishing.
Of course.
Of course you did.
Guy always.
Of course not.
Always does.
I think we were 5 years in before I finally admitted to have never
Oh my
been
god.
before with him.
5
When I
years,
did
bro?
Tell him, he was like, okay, well, like, tell me what I can do differently, which was great.
When you first started dating.
Why 5 years though?
Having sex.
Like 4 times a day.
Oh, we went out at like rabbits.
A few times a week.
So for 5 years, like rabbits, you just did not enjoy shit.
Ow.
So we're talking about the first time you had sex, and then what about the last time?
We probably just started kissing and fondling and, you know.
Lady said
things went
fondling.
on.
When was the last time you had sex?
When was the last time we had sex?
This morning.
It was before my last period, right?
Yeah, right before.
Okay, so then it's been like a week and a half.
Do you remember the last time, Deborah?
I remember the action.
You remember the action?
What the
I
fuck?
couldn't tell you the date or time.
I remember the action.
I remember we did a kind of a new position, which he tried to change out of, and I said, "Nuh-uh, we are staying here for a
Bro,
little bit."
for people to really do this shit, they're brave, bro.
It's fine. I'm not holding a grudge. It's okay.
We were like on the floor by the side of the bed.
Oh yeah.
That was crazy. Yeah, that was like.
Bro.
How has the sex gotten
I think it's just knowing what pleases each other and wanting to please each other.
We have to be kind of careful.
Simple facts.
That's interesting.
Because his dick is
We-
really big.
Well, it's, for both of us, it's not
Yo,
the length
this
that
girl
you
said, yo, I'm gonna tell everybody your
know what
business.
It used to be, but that's okay with me, and that's okay with him.
We adventure a lot. We like to switch it up. Like maybe we'll dress up in a certain way.
And toys have been a really big part of it.
Have you tried toys?
Yes.
Does it help?
Yes.
I have
Bro,
free wands.
she wants to
I
throw
have
this
a
guy away, basically.
Bluetooth one that he can connect from his phone.
What?
I have a teddy bear.
The fuck?
Hold on to this. And you stick it in.
I don't
This
think so.
So
probably-
it goes in you, and you can peg him.
Oh, how? No.
What?
She would love to. I don't want to be penetrated.
Well, here, would that get you?
Yo, why are they forcing these things on people, bro?
Right there.
Oh.
Would you use any of those?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Bro, honestly,
Especially this one.
She's not with him for the sex. That's for damn sure.
Actually.
To have sex.
Say
That's the
better
whole couple's
use
goal.
of, like your words.
I feel like you need to be more softer.
For me, I really like to slow it down and feel every single movement.
For me, I think I'm missing that coming to the bed attacking me
Yeah.
for it.
Take your time and enjoy the moment.
You think I go too fast?
I think you're a fast person generally, and
I
everything.
am kind
you
of a
cook
go fast
you
girl.
eat fast, you do everything.
You know what's
super
crazy?
quick.
As I'm here like saying, oh,
You're a slow guy.
they're brave for doing this on the internet. At the same time, it would be with some couples, it might be hard for them to talk about stuff like this because somebody might feel like they're getting judged and shit like that. Where this is more of like a jokey vibe and shit.
Yeah.
You know?
And what do you want to say to him? What do you want from him sexually?
Oh.
She just wants sex. I'm dead.
Initiate more and to ride on top more.
In my defense.
I'm
I
lazy.
feel like I have initiated it these last few times. Like when we're, yeah, see. I think what you could improve on probably your stamina. Keeping up on the rhythm.
On beat or something?
Yeah, because
Yeah, play-
sometimes when we get
she wants you to
started,
play
we
some
have the
music.
rhythm Going, but then
I'm trying not to finish right away.
I know, but if that's the case, just like keep it going.
Okay.
See, I've been wanting to talk like this for a long time, Deidre.
You see what I'm saying?
Like
You're
that's-
telling me
yeah,
you needed
no,
to
I
talk
think
like
we
this?
have more discussions about this.
Okay.
This video is sponsored by Adam and Eve. Would you buy toys from AdamandEve.com?
No.
Oh yeah.
We've actually bought a
Bro, that
couple already.
other you here for your promos, man. Guys, let me know what you think about the video, man. This shit, it's actually funny. I hope they continue the series because it's actually funny what people end up having to say to each other. And like I said, with the old couple, people probably don't even say these things to each other on the regular because it's like they might feel weird to talk about it. And here they are openly talking to the world. So it's strange, but I guess it does work in some ways, man. And maybe people will see it and be like, yeah, this is how it's supposed to be done. This is how we're supposed to speak. Da, 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 you know what I mean? But appreciate y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, man. I'll see you guys later.